What's he gonna do, braid your scalp?
Ladies, listen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It seems like it's been forever since I've just like really talked to y'all while the camera is running, but y'all, I'm back with some more hair. Today's hair is HGH hair. And if you think that you may be interested in today's hair video, then please make sure that you keep on watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's hair is going to be by HerGivenHair. Yes, I am so excited to do this unboxing with you guys and review this unit. It's a Coily 3C 4C texture wig and it is 16 inches in length. As you can see, you do get a drawstring. You also get that realistic lace in the middle along with combs and adjustable straps, and it is so easy to just pop on. This is truly a wear and go unit. So far I am digging it. It literally imitates my natural hair and I really love that. So what we are going to do is put some leave-in conditioner in my spray bottle and spray the hair with water and leave-in conditioner. And then we are going to detangle and comb her out. This is a shake and go wig. This wig is spot on and it captures that effortless vibe. You just pop it on and you're ready to go. I'm not getting any tangling. It's just easy to manage. This is the perfect style for busy professionals and busy moms, or anyone looking for a quick stylish solution for their hair, all while keeping your natural hair protected. So I'm just giving y'all a close-up of that natural looking lace in the middle. And this is how she came out. Really pretty, you guys. I'll be sure, you already know I'll be sure to link all the details. So make sure that you make your purchase today to slay with Jay. Okay, this is super cute. Mwah. So if you have been watching me for a while, I have talked to you guys about how I have been natural for a total of, I believe, 9 years now. So what I love about this hair is that it imitates my natural hair. Like, this is actually how my natural hair is. My natural hair is this exact texture and I love it. Like, this is really pretty, really gorgeous, really natural, really pretty. So this hair is highly recommended if you are more of the type that likes a natural look, a natural hairstyle, you know, that I would definitely recommend this wig, y'all, because it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. They give you the products instruction book where it's just talking about their hair company and everything. You have the content. Y'all, I love this. I love this. This is really nice. They're really going into detail here, okay? So they also give you the product description. This hair is actually a coily texture, 3C 4A texture. The length of this wig is 16 inches and it's a natural hair color. Y'all, really beautiful, okay? And it's a top lace full wig with bangs. So you do get that real lace in the middle. I thought that was really, really nice. It's been like forever since I've given like a real honest review. So I'm giving y'all an honest review, y'all. I'm always giving honest reviews, but like I'm actually gonna talk to y'all today. Like this hair is so beautiful. I absolutely love the texture of this hair, okay? Once again, this is HerGivenHair. Be yourself, be given. I am so excited for how far I have came, how far I have come. I'm super excited. And you guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for all post notifications so every time that I post a video, you'll be notified. And I just want to thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. And thank you guys so much for the support. I will be sure to link all the details on this hair in my description box. So make your purchase today to slay with Jay. Okay. I'll catch you guys next time. Mwah.